Are we ready to roll?
Yes, yes.
Very quick, 3 minutes.
So Ganga, tell us something about your fruitful venture with Nissan.
My Thank you for calling it a fruitful venture. But the thing is that this is a new model, limited edition, and as you could see, the price is very affordable for people like me who want to have stylish things, but doesn't want to spend all their money on the style and fashionable part of it. And its size is very practical for Mumbai and its traffic and parking and all of that. And the best thing is it's Nissan. It's automatic and it's the easiest you could expect from an automatic car. So this is for me as good as it can get, and they hired me for this launch. I'm honored because they feel that I like to do things hatke, which is a little unusual and different in a very positive way, I like to think.
Ganga, personally speaking, are you a materialistic person in life?
Oh yes, totally.
Tell us about your first car.
My first car was, yeah, I bought my own first car. It wasn't gifted by my father or anyone. And I like to say that money can't buy everything, but it can buy most of it. And being an independent girl, I always put my work as a priority because, I don't give in to all that philosophical talks that money is nothing and it's the real thing in life, but it's because of money that today I could give a very comfortable life for my parents. I could afford a very secure future for myself, and I could actually support causes that I really believe in. It's all because of the, because of my work and things that I could earn in my life, and things that make me happy, like a car like this that I could give to myself on a New Year Eve or maybe the day I want to pamper myself.
Ganga, usually when an actor is associated with a brand and the brand is like a product and the product is found faulty, so the actor too is held responsible. And recently Amit Ji has included a clause in his contract that if the product is found faulty, so he should be held liable for it. So what is your take on that, and are you going to include such a clause in your contract as well?
Well, the thing is that that we can't be held responsible for anything like that, yes, we do believe in a product, and I don't do many products for the same reason that I don't believe in those products. But something like Nissan, I am really honored to be associated with, because a brand like Nissan has actually withstood the test of time for decades, and I am very, very proud to be associated with Nissan.
Ganga, good afternoon to you.
Hi, good afternoon.
Brilliant. आपकी लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज मतलब माशाल्लाह क्या हो गई है?
जब मैंने आपको देखा तो मुझे पता था यहाँ से ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आएंगे।
नहीं तो मतलब कहाँ से क्या किया है आपने, मतलब चमत्कार है?
तो आपने मेरी हरियाणवी नहीं सुनी?
लेकिन आप इंग्लिश सुन रहे थे।
हाँ, तो आई थिंक लैंग्वेज नीड्स अ लॉट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस, चाहे वो हरियाणवी हो, चाहे वो इंग्लिश हो, चाहे वो दिल्ली का एक्सेंट हो क्वीन में, तो इट नीड्स अ लॉट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस.
And I agree with what she says actually.
The way passionately you are speaking about the car, I hope like you will be gifting a car to Ganga today.
It's something that we can discuss afterwards. Why not? Good suggestion.
He's my friend.
You're my friend as well.
Ganga, इतने सारी फिल्में और ये सब, आपको पता है एक्ट्रेसेस को जेलसी हो जाएगी कि कहाँ मतलब एक तो ब्रांड फिल्में और ये
बहुत जेलसी एक्ट्रेसेस को.
किस को है जेलसी होता है?
अब मैं आपको बाद में बताऊंगी, बाद में इवेंट के बाद.
पर आपको लगता है कि अनसिक्योर कर देती है लोगों को, बताओ अपने ब्रांड से?
Kangana, you would be playing the role of Rani Jhansi Lakshmi Bai. Tell us something about what kind of preparations you will be doing, because that's an intense.
Can we take that question later?
Answer.
Yeah, that film will start in 2016, and it is the most ambitious project from our country, I'd say. It will be Indo-British production and will be shot in 2 languages. So I'll practice many things, So we'll talk about that later.
Kangana, you also have been approached for Mr. Chalu again. So are you signing that film?
No, I haven't been approached for that again.
कंगना, आपकी फिल्म आई लव NY अभी हाल ही में रिलीज होने वाली है, लेकिन आपकी टीम से ना ही आप ना ही सनी देओल कोई भी प्रमोट करते हुए दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है इस फिल्म को.
बिकॉज हमें पूछा ही नहीं प्रमोट करने के लिए. उन्होंने रिलीज़ कर दी भूषण सर ने. ही इज़ टेलिंग मी ये ऐसे निकल, जैसे इंजेक्शन देने से पहले डॉक्टर कहता है ना आंखें बंद कर निकल जाएगी. सो ही इज़ टेलिंग मी थोड़ी सी, कंगना जी निकल जाएगी. सो आई सेड ओके फाइन.
तो फिल्म की रिलीज में
सक्सेस मिली है आपको, बहुत बहुत बधाई। आई कुडंट मीट यू इन द रिट्रीट। हैव यू चेंज्ड, मतलब आपको लगता है कि आप बदल गई हैं किसी तरह से, या मतलब टू अदर पीपल और एनी?
Well, growth is a natural process and it should never stop. So I would like to grow as an individual and grow and change probably in the right direction. अगर वो हो तो अच्छा है, अगर change हो गलत direction में हो तो वो अच्छा नहीं है.
Last question, please.
Your Rangoon co-star Shahid just got married. So any wishes that you like to give out?
बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं उनको.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
free for the one-on-one interaction.
Okay, after the interaction, we do some solo pictures. Is that okay? After the interaction, let's get done with the interaction and then we can do solo pictures.
So ladies and gentlemen, here it is presenting to you Nissan Micra X-Shift. Can we have a big hand for this one, everybody?
You have to put some order here.
Hi everyone. Thank you, Guillaume. Thank you for the ride. This car is as stunning as it looks, and I love the color. I'd like to know more about it.
Yes, well, actually, you were talking about a ride. The ride was actually a bit short for me. I would have liked to have an extended ride. But anyway, this car, you know, not only the color is special and very energetic, but it's a very special car also because it's limited. That is to say, it's limited. It means that it's for some happy few. And it has got a lot of value also because it is a limited edition.
So what's so special about it?
Well, you know, I think the first thing that is very special about this car is that it is a CVT, or as we say, automatic CVT. I talked about it. That is to say that, you know, in the Mumbai traffic especially, it's very smooth. I mean, you can just be in your car, you don't have to shift gears, you can listen to your music, put your air conditioning, and feel good and relaxed, even though there's chaos around you. This is what's good about this automatic gearbox. This is what's good about CVT, because there's no shocks and nothing. So that's the first thing that is exceptional about this car. The second thing that is great is the load of features. You know, I was talking about safety. So there is a driver airbag, there is the ABS, the ABD, the emergency brake assist. But also you have some nice touch in terms of design. You can see the black roof, you can see the black side molds. So it's a very powerful car in terms of design, in terms of driving facility, and in terms of features, and obviously in terms of safety.
Wow, that's great. So what is the additional or the extra cost for all these amazing features that we have in this car?
Yeah, you know, actually, not only the car in itself is amazing and very special, the price is as well very special, but I'm not going to reveal the price right now.
Wow.
We're going to wait some more minutes, but I will tell you more about it.
Okay, so easy to drive, easy to park, beautiful, fashionable looking car, just my kind of car. And, you know, I don't drive all the time, I have a driver, but I would like to know about easy to drive part.
Yeah, so
it shows your personality, it reflects your personality even. I'm sure you drive in a chauffeur-driven car mostly, but you are a person in the film industry who do things hatke. So I'm sure you like to drive, go on a spin on this car on your own.
Thank you.
So the CVT is just made for it. One of the unique points of the CVT is that it's got in a great manner. The other unique part of this vehicle is that it's very, very fuel efficient. The conventional myth is that if you have an automatic car, it will not be fuel efficient. But this is a very fuel efficient car. The CVT which comes, there is an AMT present in the market, which is manual transmission in sheep's clothing, or there is an automatic, but this is CVT. That's why it drives smoothly. The other part which you really like is you want also pep and power, I'm sure?
Right.
So pep and power is in this vehicle to the utmost. And for the pep and power, we also have a sports mode. So when you would put a sports mode, you just zoom on the roads. So that's CVT for you.
Amazing.
And the sports mode, I'm sure.
We can have a bit of spice in life. We can enjoy also fun driving, even of...
It's very young and it looks for very aspirational Indians. But what is the price is what I want to know.
You have said wait for a while, and as they say in Hindi, sabr ka phal hamesha meetha hota hai. So the whole idea behind this, when we got this special edition, this Micra Shift, which is a new way, shift to fun, we also want to reach out to more and more people, more and more Indians on the road. Men, women, young, old, everybody who wants